Welcome to the Learning English channel. Business English conversation. Writing clear and concise emails. Hello. In this video, we learn the importance of writing clear and concise emails in the workplace and provide insights into the strategies involved at work.
Good morning, Bob. I wanted to have a quick chat with you about writing clear and concise emails in the workplace. Effective communication is crucial, especially when we are dealing with clients and other team members.
Good morning, Mr. Oliver. Sure, I'm all ears. I want to improve my email writing skills, so any guidance would be helpful.
It's great to hear that, Bob. Let's start with the first step, the subject line. Always make sure your subject line reflects the main point of the email. It should be clear and specific, giving the recipient a good idea of what the email is about.
Got it. So, instead of vague subject lines like question or update, I should use something more descriptive, right?
Exactly, Bob. Next, think about your email's purpose. Before you start writing, consider what you want to achieve with the email. Are you providing information, asking for feedback, or making a request?
Okay, that makes sense. Knowing the purpose will help me structure my email better.
Absolutely. Now, let's talk about the email body. Start with a friendly greeting and address the recipient by their name. Then, get straight to the point. Keep your sentences short and to the point, and use simple language.
Short and simple, I got it. Sometimes, I tend to over-explain things. I'll work on being more concise.
That's a common challenge, Bob. Don't worry, practice will help you improve. When providing information, break it down into clear paragraphs or bullet points to make it easier to read and understand.
All right, I'll organize my emails better to enhance readability.
It's good to hear. Next, let's talk about tone. Always maintain a professional and respectful tone in your emails. Avoid using jargon or slang that might not be familiar to everyone.
Understood. It's essential to keep things professional and avoid any misunderstandings.
Precisely. Also, be mindful of your email's length. If your message is too long, the recipient might lose interest or miss critical points. Stick to the main purpose and keep it concise.
I'll keep it focused and avoid unnecessary details.
Excellent. Lastly, before hitting the send button, take a moment to proofread your email. Check for any spelling or grammatical errors. A well-written email reflects positively on our team and the company.
Sure thing. I'll make sure to double-check my emails before sending them.
That's it, Bob. Following these steps will help you write clear and concise emails that effectively convey your message. And remember, practice makes perfect, so keep working on it.
Thank you, Mr. Oliver. Your guidance is very helpful. I'll start applying these tips right away.
You're welcome, Bob. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Effective communication is essential for our team's success.
I will. Thanks again, Mr. Oliver.
My pleasure, Bob. Now, let's get back to work and put these email writing skills into action.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.